Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn a little bit more about contractions for the words would and will. Let's get poppin' with contractions. I like to think of contractions as popping some popcorn. When we have a contraction that uses the word would, the letters W, O, and U all are part of the popcorn kernel that's going to pop and become an apostrophe. When I have a contraction that uses the word will, the letters W and I are part of the popcorn kernel that's going to pop and become an apostrophe. Let's try to pop a few contractions. It looks like we have the words she would in the microwave. I can see that W-O-U is part of my popcorn kernel. Let's see what happens when we pop this popcorn. Look at that, my kernel popped. She would became she'd. My W-O-U-L all popped into this kernel that you see right here, or this piece of popcorn. If I was gonna write that, I could do it like this. She apostrophe D. She'd means the same thing as she would. Let's try another one. Let's go ahead and try to pop the words he will. It looks like my W-I from my word will are both in my kernel, so hopefully they'll pop into some popcorn. Let's get poppin'. Boys and girls, it looked like it happened again. That kernel popped, so he will turned into he'll. My W and I were in the kernel, and they popped into a piece of popcorn or an apostrophe. Let's go ahead and write out the word he'll. H-E apostrophe L-L, he'll. Let's just check out a few more words before we go. Boys and girls, here are some more contractions with the word would. We have he would becoming he'd when the W-O-U-L pops. She would becomes she'd. I would becomes I'd. You would becomes you'd. Here are some contractions with the word will. Remember that W-I is going to pop each time. He will becomes he'll. She will becomes she'll. I will becomes I'll. And you will becomes you'll. Okay, boys and girls, thanks for popping in. See you soon.